स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल पे, जहाँ पे हम डिजिटल मार्केटिंग और कुछ मन की बात वीडियो की लास्ट में करेंगे। तो आज मैं लाया हूँ आपके लिए सेल्स स्ट्रेटजीज। सो लेट्स बिगिन। So the number one is possible now strategy. This tells your prospects that this is the right time to gain their desired needs and benefits. You would relate your product features to the type of new chemicals, materials or technologies. The second is confident sellout strategy. This tells your prospects that you are confident that your product won't last long. Many people are influenced by the confidence. You can show even more by mentioning a time frame that as to when your product will last. The third is bombarded strategy. This tells your prospects that you understand that they are bombarded every day with advertising emails. You have to make sure that you will not sell out their business names or their contact information to any other business. This will show them that you are trying to help them cut on the junk and spam emails. The fourth is no install strategy. This tells your prospects that your product do not require any software to install. Even today, many are there who are computer and software phobic. They do not want to gain their desired needs and benefits with the hassles of using a software. Fifth is plugin strategy. This tells your prospects that your products and services can be customized according to their needs and benefits. You are also saying them that they can fit or blend your products into their targeted situations. Sixth is lock-in strategy. This tells your prospects that if they are going to buy your product right now, they will be avoided from paying any kind of fees to use the product in the future. There are many out there who hate recurring fees. Seventh is the all risk strategy. Here you have to share your customers' experiences, the benefits they have received by using your products and services. You can share success stories or customer testimonials. Eighth is personal partner. This strategy tells your prospects that if they are buying your product, they can also promote your product. You can fix a commission on sale just like an affiliate marketing program. Ninth is does the same thing strategy. This tells your prospects that your products and services provide the same benefits as the competitive expensive version. You have to say your prospects that you provide the same benefits with your products and with reasonable cost. And the last is does by yourself strategy. Here you have to question your client as to why they are gaining the desired needs and benefits by themselves. You have to convince them that how easier it will be with your product's help. So these were the few secrets, sales and marketing tactics. There are many in the book. Link is in the description below. तो आइए अभी कुछ मन की बात करते हैं। तो ये थी कुछ सेल्स की स्ट्रेटेजीज। मैं आपको यहाँ पे ये बात बताना चाहूँगा कि कस्टमर को कभी भी प्रोडक्ट के फीचर्स मत बताओ, उसको बेनिफिट्स बताओ। फॉर एग्जांपल, जब स्टीव जॉब्स ने एप्पल का आईपॉड लॉन्च किया था, तब उन्होंने ये नहीं बताया कि कितने जीबी का आईपॉड है। उन्होंने ये बताया था कि आप 1000 सॉन्ग्स को इसमें स्टोर कर सकते हो और इतना ये छोटा डिवाइस है कि आप अपने पॉकेट में रख सकते हो। तो आपके कस्टमर्स को आप बेनिफिट्स बताओ, उसके फीचर्स मत बताओ। मे बी अगर आपका कोई टेक्नोलॉजी रिलेटेड प्रोडक्ट है या कोई सॉफ्टवेयर है तो उसको शायद टेक्निकल टर्म समझ में न आए, इसीलिए उसको ये बताओ कि उसको क्या फ़ायदा मिलेगा। तो मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए हौसला रखो और टाइम तुम्हारा भी आएगा।